Hey everyone, I'm Lamp. I just wanted to introduce myself a bit, because in the first video on the channel I actually didn't talk about myself at all. I've been developing games for 2 years now. I started using Unity. I actually tried before to learn it, but I didn't have enough commitment to actually do it, so I dropped everything. So let's go back in time and see how it all started. It all started as a university project where we had to make a game. We were a group of 4 people. I actually ended up doing most of the work myself, as it happens in a group project. We actually were 2 people working on the game for the most part, and I'm probably showing you some images of the game right now. So basically it was a game about this ghost guy or girl. You had to solve some puzzles. It was a pretty simple game. I was really proud of some of the levels. The first one, the graveyard, it was really cool. I also used those models and that level in some other projects, just because it was so cool for me. I think we did a pretty good job for our first project. These 2 years I also made some test projects where I tried stuff, mostly grass. Grass, it's been kind of a recurring theme for me. I've tried many different techniques to make grass optimized, just out of curiosity. Yeah, also here I was trying the HDRP pipeline, and there's another project where I was trying water, you know, all the lighting stuff and planar reflections, all the stuff. The second game I worked on was for the Brackies Game Jam 2020, I think it was, and it is called Platform Dudes, very original name. So basically the theme for this game jam was courage. We started prototyping ideas and stuff. We were a group of 3 people, I think. We didn't have good ideas. I think, yeah, that project was kind of a downer. You could use your courage to spawn platforms, and you had to find a checkpoint thing before the other. It was a 2-player game, I should have said that at the start, and you had to find this thing that rotated in the air and get it before the other player. I also made another test game, which was inspiration for the next video you will see on the channel. And basically I was trying to make a Souls-like game. Well, I never got around to finish it, so it's a super early prototype. I was also trying, working with trees and terrain and stuff. Next, I worked on another game jam with one of the recurring people I already worked with a million times. Basically any project I made, any serious project I made, he was involved. He was the other guy that was working on my first game and actually helped finish it. I'm not gonna say his name just because I don't know if he's okay with it. It's a farming game. The theme for that game jam was nature. The game is called Timeland. I was forgetting that. If you want, you can play the game in my itch.io page. I leave the link in the description. And yeah, it was a game about farming. The idea was the atmosphere was really dark. We also had a day and night cycle. Really cool. There should have been a story around it where this guy just lost a close one, and basically he gained this property where he started farming. As time went on, there's a checkpoint in the game where the game ends, and you have to get like 8,000 creds to end the game, something like that. And as time goes on, as you get money, basically the atmosphere changes, the post-processing changes, and it becomes a little bit more colorful and less depressing. One of the last game we made was Scared. It was for this year's Brackies Game Jam, and I think it was a pretty cool idea. The theme for this game jam was It's Not Real, and basically we thought, okay, this little kid is scared, he's having a nightmare, he tries to escape, there's monsters there in this nightmare, of course. If he gets too close, if he go close to monsters, he will be scared and he will feel trapped, and so obstacles will appear and he can't escape, basically. So the idea was you had to try to avoid the enemies and try to get to your objectives, like you had to find a key and stuff like that to open a door. It was a pretty cool idea. Oh, and I've been working on a tower defense game for mobile. Started this game because as a kid I used to play this tower defense game, which was a flash game. I've always thought to myself that tower defense games were the perfect type of game for mobile. Usually you just can't complete the mobile games, the mobile tower defense games, without buying stuff from the shop, which is really stupid. And so I thought, yeah, I'll make a good tower defense game. I've been working on this thing for almost a year now. Of course, I'm also working for university, so I didn't have much time to work on it. And as you have seen, I also worked on a lot of other stuff, and of course the videos for this channel. Even though I've released only one, I've been working on stuff. Yeah, it's a pretty simple tower defense game. I had an idea to spice up the gameplay a bit, but that's still under development, and actually I didn't even put it in the game yet. So yeah, if you're interested, just follow me here, because I'm planning to finish the game in this month, basically. The last game I'm working on, which is the most serious project, we really overscoped on this project. This is a two-man's project with the other guy that I'm not gonna name. Yeah, this game is, I think we had a really cool idea. I'm just giving you a small demo of what it will look like. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, I will see you hopefully in the next one. Bye bye.